Hey folks, welcome back to the BookFunnel Feature Spotlight. My name is Jack. I am our lead author support specialist here at BookFunnel, and today's feature spotlight is on restricted landing pages. Now, on BookFunnel, we have several different landing page types that you can use and create. You can see here on this left-hand menu, we have email sign-up pages, universal book links, download pages, bundle pages, and restricted landing pages. Now, each of these does something a little different. Download pages just let readers download a book. No email is collected. It's just a very simple way for them to get a book from a download page. A universal book link is going to provide them links to other stores where they can purchase your book. An email sign-up page is still going to give readers access to a book in order to download it. However, they do have to submit their email address first in order to join your mailing list. So essentially, they're joining your mailing list in order to get the book, like you would do with a reader magnet. Bundle pages allow you to put multiple pages on a single landing page, and so you need to have other landing pages created first before you would use a bundle page. But restricted pages do something different, and this is something that not a lot of authors know about. So restricted pages are kind of the reverse of an email sign-up page. With an email sign-up page, the reader gives you their email first, then they get the book. They join your list in order to get the book. But with a restricted page, the reader must already be on your list in order to get the book. This means that you can restrict access to a book download based on whether or not a reader is on your mailing list. Now, this does require that your BookFunnel account is integrated with your mailing list service. If you don't already have integrations on your account, they can be added on to the Midlist Author Plan, and you can connect to MailerLite, MailChimp, and numerous other mailing list services so that emails you collect with BookFunnel can be automatically added to your mailing list, and so you can use BookFunnel restricted pages. So when we go to create a new landing page, we can select the option to do a restricted landing page. And again, the description here, readers will be asked to give their email address, and then BookFunnel will confirm that they are actively subscribed to one of your integrated lists before allowing them to download the book. New readers who are not already on your list will not be able to sign up for your list or download the content. There is a way for you to give them a link to where they can go and sign up, and I'll show that to you here momentarily. So now we're here on our restricted page settings as we're creating this page, and there's a couple things that I want to point out. For starters, we can select the list that we want to have this restricted page connected to. In this case, with MailerLite, we can choose any group, which means that they're subscribed to any of our groups, or we can select a specific group. So if you have multiple groups, you could assign a specific group to be connected to that restricted page, which means an even smaller group of subscribers are given limited access to this restricted page. Now you have the option to redirect readers to another URL if they are not subscribers. So if your subscribers who aren't on that integrated list happen to stumble upon this landing page, you can provide them a link to another page where they could sign up for your mailing list. You may or may not want to use this depending on how you're using a restricted page. If you want to give readers the option to then join your list so that they can then get the book that's part of the restricted page, you can add that link in here, but you don't have to. So now we've created our BookFunnel restricted page, and as you can see, it looks a lot like another landing page. But when we click this Get My Book button, we have to submit our email address to show that we are an actual subscriber of this author's mailing list in order to get this book. Restricted pages can be used for a lot of different purposes, and I hope this has helped explain them for you. If you have any questions about how you can use BookFunnel restricted pages, feel free to put them in the comments below. And otherwise, we'll see you all next time for our next BookFunnel Feature Spotlight.
Thank you for watching. Check out these other videos from BookFunnel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.